Welcome to the Checkout Guide. I'm running a 10% off sale in Shopify. Watch this first. A simple percentage discount can turn into a huge discount amount on expensive orders. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to control it using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the online store. Then here we can check the here click on any product. The amount is $500. So here I add some quantity, then click on add to cart, then go to the cart. Here the total amount is $2,000, but when we are applying 10% off, it will be saving $200. So when we have to reduce that much of amount, we have to set the capping amount so that we can go to the dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount app. Using next discount app, we can set the capping amount, so it will limit the discount value. So here I choose the discount type as discount code and set a code. Here add 10, then discount value set as 10, then capping amount here I give 50. So here we can see this is the important part, that is capping amount, because the capping amount limit the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if the discount would be $200, the app will stop it at $50. So next we can put the discount apply for all product. The discount message is for automatic discount. Then no minimum purchase requirement. Then eligibility for all customer. Then maximum discount users. Here I limit to 1 use per customer. Here we can set the date. Here I set date from and then expiry to this. Here combine with all option I choose. That's it. Now click on save. Okay, the discount has been created. Now we can go to the store, so that view store. Okay, then go to the cart. Here the amount is actually to 2000. So when we are applying 10%, it will be actually save $200. But let's see how it will be. So apply the code, then click on apply, flat 10, then it should be save only 50%. Yeah, not $50 only. So actually it should save $200, but we have give the capping amount to $50, so it limit the discount value. So that's it. So before running your next Shopify sale, make sure your discounts are properly controlled. A small setting like this can save a lot of profit in your store. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.